With reading and translation of Chapter 9 of English Grammar, Finite and Infinite Verbs. Rahul plays a drum. राहुल एक ड्रम बजाता है. राहुल plays a drum. He painted the picture. उसने पिक्चर को पेंट किया. He painted the picture. I come home. मैं घर आता हूँ. I come home. I came home. मैं घर आया. I came home. She dances well. वह अच्छा डांस करती है. She dances well. They dance well. वह अच्छा डांस करते हैं. They dance well. I eat my dinner. मैं अपना डिनर रात का भोजन खाता हूँ. I eat my dinner. He eats his dinner. वह अपना डिनर खाता है. He eats his dinner. They eat their dinner. वह अपना डिनर खाते हैं. They eat their dinner. We can try writing to him. हम उसे लिखने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. We can try writing to him. She likes to read. उसे पढ़ना पसंद है. She likes to read. We promise to pay all the bills. हम सभी बिल्स भरने का वादा करते हैं. We promise to pay all the bills. I bring fruits. मैं फ्रूट्स लाता हूँ to eat. खाने के लिए. I bring fruits to eat. The boy drinks milk. लड़का दूध पीता है to improve health. Health improve करने के लिए. The boy drinks milk to improve health. He loves cooking. उसे कुकिंग करना पसंद है. He loves cooking. I go to the market. मैं मार्केट जाता हूँ to fetch milk. दूध लाने के लिए. I go to the market to fetch milk. He goes to the market. वह मार्केट जाता है to fetch milk. दूध लाने के लिए. He goes to the market to fetch milk. I want to learn skating. मैं स्केटिंग सीखना चाहता हूँ. I want to learn skating. She wants to learn skating. वह स्केटिंग सीखना चाहती है. She wants to learn skating. He wants to help you. वह तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहता है. He wants to help you. She walked home. वह पैदल घर चली गई. She walked home. They like jogging. उन्हें जॉगिंग पसंद है. They like jogging. The wounded man. घायल आदमी could not walk anymore. और नहीं चल सकता था. The wounded man could not walk anymore. More. Monica is fond of singing. मोनिका को गाने का शौक है. Monica is fond of singing. He should admit his fault to save himself. उसे खुद को बचाने के लिए अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए. He should admit his fault to save himself. She is going to attend a wedding. वह एक शादी को अटेंड करने जा रही है. She is going to attend a wedding. Did you tell him to come? क्या तुमने उसे आने के लिए कहा था? Did you tell him to come? To reach there is difficult. वहाँ पहुँचना मुश्किल है. To reach there is difficult. He asked me to sing. उसने मुझे गाने के लिए कहा. He asked me to sing. I want to bathe. मैं नहाना चाहता हूँ. I want to bathe. To delay is bad. To delay is bad. देरी करना बुरा है. To delay is bad. Many men prefer to work slowly. कई पुरुष धीरे काम करना पसंद करते हैं. Many men prefer to work slowly. Apples are sweet to eat. Apples खाने में मीठे होते हैं. Apples are sweet to eat. This is not the time to sleep. यह सोने का समय नहीं है. This is not the time to sleep. The teacher is about to start. टीचर शुरू करने वाला है. The teacher is about to start. Nina went to the library. नीना लाइब्रेरी गई. She wanted to borrow books. वह किताबें बोरो करना चाहती थी. Nina went to the library. She wanted to borrow books. Nina went to the library. नीना लाइब्रेरी गई to borrow books. Books borrow करने के लिए. Nina went to the library to borrow books. The book is so difficult. This book is so difficult. यह बुक इतनी मुश्किल है. That I cannot understand it. कि मैं इसे समझ नहीं सकता. This book is so difficult that I cannot understand it. This book is too difficult to understand. यह बुक समझने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. This book is too difficult to understand. I must go home now. मुझे अब घर जाना चाहिए. I must go home now. They might leave for Delhi next week. वह अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हो सकते हैं. They might leave for Delhi next week. I saw Lena leave the house. मैंने लीना को घर से निकलते हुए देखा था. I saw Lena leave the house. I felt an ant crawl up my leg. मैंने महसूस किया एक एक चींटी को मेरे पैर पर रेंगकर ऊपर आते हुए. I felt an ant crawl up my leg. I made him speak. मैंने उसे बोल दिया. I made him speak. Let me try this. मुझे यह कोशिश करने दो. Let me try this. How dare you touch my books? तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मेरी किताबों को छूने की? How dare you touch my books? He dared to dream and achieve his ambition. उसने सपने देखने और अपने एम्बिशन को पूरा करने का साहस किया. He dared to dream and achieve his ambition. I need to visit the doctor soon. मुझे जल्द ही डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए. मुझे जल्द ही डॉक्टर से मिलने की ज़रूरत है. I need to visit the doctor soon. I hope to get first rank in IIT. मैं IIT में प्रथम स्थान फर्स्ट रैंक पाने की उम्मीद करता हूँ. I hope to get first rank in IIT. We must go home now. अब हमें घर जाना चाहिए. We must go home now. Waste is a crime against humanity. बर्बादी मानवता के खिलाफ, ह्यूमैनिटी के खिलाफ अपराध है. Waste is a crime against humanity.